Good morning, boys and girls. I am so happy that you are here with me again for story time. And if you remember correctly, yesterday's story was Polar Bear and the Rainbow. Today's story is going to look similar to that, except it's not going to be a polar bear. So if you are ready, then show me. Eyes watching, ears listening. Please, boys and girls. Bodies nice and still. And quiet voices. Thank you so much. Do you know it's story time, story time, story time? Do you know it's story time in your home today? And today's story is The Penguin Who Wanted to Sparkle. Let me bring that really close for you. This is another book that when we read it, when we're in the classroom, it's sparkly and you can touch the sparkles and feel the sparkles. It's just one of my favorites. The Penguin Who Wanted to Sparkle, a sparkly story to share. And that is exactly what I am doing with you right now. Can you see the sparkles? I'm trying to move the book so you could see. All this is bumpy and sparkly. Oh, I just love it. And here is the title page. Let me scooch over a little bit. Here is the title page. The Penguin Who Wanted to Sparkle, and we are ready to begin. One moonlit night, Mommy Penguin's egg went crack. A tiny beak appeared, then a head, followed by two tiny wings and a pair of orange feet. Can you guess what came out of that egg? Oh! A fluffy little penguin chick called Pip hopped out. Pretty sparkles, she squeaked as she gazed up at the sparkly stars in the sky. They are so pretty. Then Pip saw a lot of funny fish jumping in and out of the ocean. Splash! They were all shiny and sparkly. I want to sparkle too, squeaked the little penguin excitedly. See the fish jumping in and out of the water, and each fish is so sparkly. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Let's quickly count how many fish are here. Okay, we're going to start on the left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Help me count. 7, 8, and 9. Show me 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sparkly fish jumping in and out of the water. Soon it began to snow. Pip watched the snowflakes floating down, sparkling as they fell. If I catch some, I can sparkle. If I catch some, I can sprinkle them on my feathers, she thought. Then I will sparkle too. Pip ran around trying to catch the snowflakes, but they just melted on her wings. Where have the sparkles gone, she wondered. Boys and girls, when Pip catches the snowflakes on her wings, what happens to them? Do you know? Yes, they melt because Pip is warm and the snowflakes are cold. Pip found a bank of powdery white snow. It twinkled in the moonlight. "Now I will sparkle," she cried, rolling over and over in the snowy drift. But the moon disappeared behind the cloud. The snow stopped twinkling, and Pip's feathers did not sparkle one tiny bit. How does she look there? Kind of sad. "Maybe I can catch a sparkly star," thought Pip, jumping up and down. But she could not reach a star. However hard she tried, she couldn't touch one. Poor Pip felt very, very sad. Oh no. All she wants to do is sparkle. And look at all of her penguin friends over here. I guess it's family and friends. "What are you doing, Pip?" asked the other penguins. "Why, oh, why do you look so sad?" "I'm trying to catch some sparkles," Pip explained. So they all tried to help because remember, boys and girls, that's what friends do. They help each other. They hopped and they jumped. They rolled and they wriggled, but they couldn't catch any sparkles, no matter how hard they tried. Just then, a friendly whale swam by. Can you see the big whale? "All that jumping and rolling about looks very tiring," he laughed. "Why don't you come slide down my back instead?" Everyone agreed this was a wonderful idea. Even Pip thought it was a wonderful idea. And one by one, the penguins whooshed down the whale's back and landed in the glittering sea. Splash! Let's see how many there are. Count with me. Use your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 penguins sliding down the whale's back. Pip hopped out of the water and shook her wet feathers in the sunshine. "Look," cried the other penguins, "you are sparkling all over. Can you see the sparkles?" Pip danced happily in the snow. "So that's how you sparkle, by having fun in the sun. Come on, everyone, let's have another go at it." So Pip was able to sparkle. And her friends helped her. Now, boys and girls, I would like to tell you that your rainbows that you did yesterday in your favorite colors, it was just wonderful. For those of you that didn't do it, please do it today, okay? For today, I would like you to draw a penguin in the snow. And if you can't draw a penguin in the snow, then you can print one from the computer and color it in, or you can make one out of Play-Doh, or you can get really creative and you can cut one out of paper plates and you can make it sparkly or not sparkly, but I want to see you make a penguin. Sound good? Thank you so much, boys and girls. Have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.